How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 71 Monte Carlo. Gorgeous car, done its factory cranberry red, black top, black interior. The car spent most of its life in Texas. See, it's all the original grille, headlight bezels, front bumper. All in very good condition. Paint work on the car is super nice, slick paint. It's flat, straight as an arrow. Just a really nice car, guys. It's got all the original lower rocker trim and wheel well moldings, all in good condition. It appears the rear bumper has been re-chromed. It's got a new vinyl top on it. This car was redone approximately 13 years ago. And it's beautiful. Very nice, clean, all original panel car. It's got the numbers matched, 350, power steering, power disc brakes, factory AC. Got the 350 turbo trans. Just a super nice little car. Car drives and rides out beautiful. So all the jams are real nice. All the interior is excellent condition. Dash, it's got the original AM radio in it, which works. I was told by the previous owner that the seat covers have all been replaced, the carpet, the door panels are the originals. The headliner looks like new. Comes with a car cover. It also has a dashboard and a rear package shelf cover, protect it from the sun. Got the original jack and spare all in it. It's got seat belts for 6. It's got factory rear defog. I tell you, just a super nice car. And I really like the Monte Carlo. It's basically the same as the Chevelle. I think it fires right up. Got a nice Flowmaster dual exhaust. So you can see how straight the car is down the sides and everything. Backup lights, everything works on it. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.